Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica Olunde, and if today is your first time stopping by, hey girl, please do not make it your last. Click the subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel, be part of my family, and most importantly, be part of my growth. Thank you guys so much for the love of my past videos. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my traditional sewing. I've had this hair on for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. I cannot really recall. This style is a really versatile hairstyle. It's a hairstyle that I can style in different ways. You can wear it as like the middle part that I made it in, or like an all back, and you can wear it as a high bun just like this, or as a low bun. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So this is the base. The braids that are loose are going to be my leave out, while the braids that are tight are the hair that I'm going to be stitching my hair extension to. So this hair extension is a 3-bundle extension that also comes with a closure. It's a 14-inch extension with a 10-inch closure, but I am not going to be using the closure for the purpose of this hairstyle. So I started off by stitching my hair extension to my hair, just like I did in my old video. So just watch so you would understand what I did here. Notice how I didn't start stitching directly on the braids. You see where the arrow is at? It is important that you stitch your hair around that space so that when you like do a updo, your hair would stay flat. It won't be so bulky. So once that is done, we can now start stitching directly on the braids. So if you're doing this on a client and you really want a seamless sewing, you can cut each hair extension. Like when you sew a particular track in, you can cut so you don't have to turn like I did in my own sewing. I didn't cut this hair extension at the end of each track sewing because I want to use the hair extension for something else. So cutting it will make it messy for the next hairstyle that I want to do. So if you want it seamless on your client, or you want it seamless on your own hair, after each track stitched in, you can cut instead of having to turn or flip it over to the next. So I'm done with the first bundle. I am on to the second. Yay!
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, Maybe separate is better. I will love you till forever.
So this is what I was trying to explain earlier. Instead of flipping the hair extension like I did here, for a much more seamless sewing, you can just cut. When you get to that point, then you pick the track again to stitch onto the next. But because I really want to use this extension for something else, I didn't cut it. I just flipped it over. This was seamless. It was pretty much seamless because a whole lot of people were asking if it was my hair. But for a much more flat sewing, you can just cut instead of flipping over. So now I am onto my last sewing. Here I am onto the last.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, maybe separate.
And now I am done stitching, but there is no power, like we don't have light at the moment, so I am just waiting for power to be restored so I can straighten my hair and show you guys the final result. Whew. See, this is an extreme sport. So this is what the hair looks like with my leave out brushed on top of it. It's giving natural hair. I love this hairstyle. It's so pretty. This is what she looks like, and at this point I haven't even stretched my hair to match the hair extension, but yet it's giving pretty. Hi guys, I'm back. So I pretty much straightened and curled my hair off camera because I was on the phone with my sister that lives in the UK. Yeah, so I was on the phone with her, so I couldn't like film what I was doing at that time. So I'm here just to show you guys like the final result and what I do, like for the finishing touches. So I'm brushing out the curls a bit, and then I will be applying tiny hair wax or edge control, lay my edges, and then put a scarf on it to give my hair character.
This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, maybe separate is better. I will love you till forever. hurt me is think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space.
So I pretty much wore the hairstyle like this, mostly to work, and I had like a couple of people asking if it was my hair. Like, and truthfully, watching it in this video, it really looks like my hair. It looks real. So if you found the video interesting, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time.